Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you're new to my channel, and welcome to Beauty with a Purpose. Today I have had on my mind to do two different looks, and I'll record the other one tomorrow, but I wanted to do like a purple smoky eye or a purple eyeshadow look, and then I wanted to do a brown smoky eye. So today I'm going to do the brown smoky eye. Oh, that is definitely something that I haven't done in a while. I did it a long time ago and I posted it on my Instagram, and it was something that I was supposed to record a long time ago. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into that. And so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my face with my Wet n Wild Rose Primer Water. And then I'm also gonna go in with two different ones. So I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Hydrating Primer all over my face, and then I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer, just where I have more of a problem with pores. Okay, so I did do my eyebrows off camera, both got rid of some unwanted hair and filled them in. I'm gonna go in with my now I'm gonna go in with my Sephora eyeshadow primer. With my Sephora eyeshadow primer, I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Catrice Camouflage High Coverage Concealer, just to go ahead and cancel out all that darkness that I have up there. So I went ahead and found every single eyeshadow palette that had brown in it, and so I ended up with this Sephora palette right here. It's just a bunch of neutrals. It's mostly cool toned. And then my Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Quad is right here, and then it had this color right here, which is a pretty deep red brown color. And then I have my BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, and I'm only using mattes, and so it has like these shades that I could use right there. This would be more of a crease shade. And then of course, excuse me, my Carly Bible palette. And this one just really has these two shades that I could use because, like I said, I am doing more of a matte look. So I am going to go ahead and go in with my Carly Bible palette, and I'm going to take this cream shade right here, and I'm going to set down that concealer that we put on. I'm just going to blend out those creases real quick. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Zodiac palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to buff that into my crease. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to go in with this brown right here, and I'm just going to take that on this brush. And I'm going to do basically the same exact thing. And guys, the key with any smoky eyeshadow look that you're trying to do is blend, 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 blend. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this shade right here. And once again, my brushes are getting smaller and smaller every time I switch brushes and every time I switch color. So this one is a little bit more of a red tone brown. And now I'm just gonna go even lower, about right here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the darkest brown that we will be using, and I'm going to pack this on the lid and then blend it up into the crease. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to work backwards from the brushes that we used. So every time I blend, I'm going to use the shade that's below the last shade that we just used. So since this one, yeah, and so I'm just going to be blending, you guys. Don't freak out, because when you are doing a smoky eye and you have nothing else going on, like, you look crazy. Like right now, I look like Beetlejuice, even have the shirt to match. Like, it's not cute, but just keep going and have patience with it. And so we're gonna go ahead and highlight our brow bone. I wanted to do more bold looks because I noticed that a lot of my looks are very mommy-ish, because I am a mom and usually I don't have time to sit here and do a whole full smoky eye. And so now, before we go in with anything else, because I did have some fallout, we're gonna go ahead. I look really crazy. We're gonna go ahead and clean up. So I'm gonna wipe from my nose and then go up at an angle. That's funny. This helps you look a little bit better when you clean up that fallout. And then okay, so now what I'm also gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and pop on these Cara Black Wisp WSP lashes. Well, it says hashtag WSP. And so we're gonna go ahead and do these, and we're gonna do very dramatic since we do have this very dramatic look. And to coat my lashes, I'm just going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. So now we have lashes on, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my base. But I'm gonna stick with what I know for tonight. I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Healthy Elixir in the shade Creamy Beige, and then I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me Matte and Poreless with my shade Natural Beige, and I'm just going to mix those. Going in with my e.l.f. Total Complexion Sponge, and I'm just going to blend all of this out. I really do try to avoid my under eye till I do concealer, just that way it's not too much product and crazy looking under there. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of my Maybelline Matte and Poreless, just to get this to look a little more my shade. I'm going to go ahead and take my Catrice Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer, and I have this one in the shade, oh, light beige. Told you your look doesn't even start to look like it's coming together until you're almost done with all your makeup. Like, this looks a little bit better, like, since I have freckles and acne scars and stuff, like, this does look a little bit better, but It's not till you get done with the complete end product until you really see how it looks. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go on with my Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder in translucent, and we're just gonna go ahead and set our face with this. For this to be brown, like, because the undertones in the brown eyeshadow that I used are so strong, I mean, because the purple undertones are so strong and the brown eyeshadows I used, this almost looks like a purple smoky eye, but I swear it was supposed to be brown. And then, like, if I label it purple smoky eye, well, then people are gonna be like, why is she using brown eyeshadows? And so I can't do that. So I'm still gonna say brown, but I mean, it came out pretty purple. So I'm only gonna take 2 eyeshadows on my lower lash line, and I'm gonna use these two right here. Take this super tiny crease-like brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and get my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the darker brown and get right on the tip and do, pretty sure I just went into the wrong brown. Is this purple and I just don't know it? Like, is that brown or is that purple to you guys? This one. And I am gonna go in with my NYX Keeping It Tight eyeliner in the shade Nude. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and go in with our teeny tiny sample of Monsieur Big and get those lower lashes. Okay, so eyes are done. You already know what bronzer I'm going in with. Ugh, I hate that I'm doing that. It looks like I'm trying to break my neck. Anyways, going in with my maple bronzer, we're gonna go ahead and do our 2-in-1, our twofer. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here for blush, and we're just going to dust that all over our cheeks. Not all over, but you know what I mean. Okay, we're gonna put this highlighter everywhere. I'm telling you, I wanted a brown smoky eye so bad that I chose out brown colors for my lips. So I'm going to still go with brown because I feel like purple and brown match. But I have my e.l.f. lip liner in dark brown. And so we're just going to go ahead and line our lips with that. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with this Ulta Matte lipstick in the shade Sweet Caramel. I'll say caramel or caramel. I'm gonna spray my sponge with the Natural Finish setting spray from Wet n Wild, and I'm not gonna spray it too much, just twice, and then it's probably what I always do is 2 times. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Rose setting spray from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna do really far for this one since I straightened my hair.
And then I'm going to push that in.
And then if you guys want, while your face is damp and you want like a more intense highlight, you could always go over it with your highlight while your face is damp if you want it to be even more intense. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed makeup look, and this is officially the longest video I have ever recorded for my YouTube channel. I wanted a brown smoky eye. I ended up with purple. Do you guys still like it though? I think it's still pretty cute. I think the look still came out cute. I hope you guys like it, and if you like the bold eyeshadow looks, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. I do makeup, I do vlogs, I do Bible teachings, I do Jesus chats where I just kind of talk about what I'm going through in life on my Christian walk. And so if you guys would like or are interested in any of those or have any video suggestions, leave those in the comment section. I love you guys, but Jesus loves you more, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.